Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be discussing how to install and use a VPN on a TCL smart TV or any Android-based smart TV. Let's dive right in. Now, first things first, you're going to want to go to your smart TV's homepage. And within that homepage, you're going to need to look for the Google Play Store app. Go ahead and find that. You may have to type it into your homepage's search bar, but once you do, I'm sure you'll find it. Now, once you do find it, go ahead and at the top of that app, you should find the search icon. Go ahead and click on that search icon. Now, into the search bar, simply type in VPN. Now, once you've done that, you will have a whole list of options to choose from. Go ahead and click whichever suits you. I personally use a Proton VPN as that can connect to my phone and it is easier for me to use. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click whichever VPN item you wish to use. Once you've done that, you will have to sign in, make an account, log in, go through a few tedious process aspects, but once you've done that, you will have a VPN that fully works on your smart TV. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.